Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9 polynomials lesson chapter 2 exercise 2.1. See beta, what is the first bit? Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Straight reason for your answer. See here, which one is polynomial, which one is not polynomial, you have to find. Okay, see here, polynomial means power should be whole number. Okay, power whole number is there means it is a polynomial, and power negative form or fraction form is there means it is not a polynomial. Again, you have to reason also, you have to get. See Baba, first question, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. See here, x power what is there? 2. It is a whole number. Here nothing means it is a 1. So this is a polynomial or not means? Yes, it is a polynomial. You can write yes, it is a polynomial. Next reason we will see later. Next, y square plus root 2 is there. Here see Baba. Here variable power 2 is there, no problem. Variable power whole number is there means finish. This number whatever it may be, no problem. So y square plus root 2. So it is a whole number. Yes, it is a whole number. Next, here see Baba. 3 root t plus t root 2. See here variable 1 is there, no problem. But here what is there? This is root t. See here 3 root t. Meaning what? This one it is equal to 3t to the power of 1 by 2. Root is square root is there means its power is 1 by 2. So here power 1 by 2 form is there. So it is not a polynomial. So here this number no problem. But here t root is there. T root means what is the answer? T to the power of 1 by 2. So fraction form is there. So it is not a polynomial. So you write it. No, it is not a polynomial. Next come here. Y plus 2 by y. See here. Y plus 2 by y. So this down denominator plus y is there means so what happens? This one y plus 2 into y to the power of minus 1. So this one what happens? This y no problem. See here. This is y plus this denominator plus y is there. So it's become a minus 1. So here power minus 1 is there. So it is not a denominator plus y is there means its value is y to the power of minus 1. So negative power is there. So it is not a polynomial. This answer is no. Next, t to the power of 10 y cube t to the power of 50 is there. So this is a polynomial, but in question what is asking? Polynomial in one variable asking. But here polynomial 3 variables is there. So it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is polynomial, but 3 variables are there. So you can write it. Here variables see only one variable. X is the variable, y is the variable, t is the variable, y is the variable. But here x, y, t, 3 variables are there. So this answer is no. See here, you have to write a reason also. See here, this is yes. What is the reason? Because power of the variable is a whole number. Power is in whole number form. This is also whole number form. Now see here, this is y square plus root 2. This is also yes, power, same reason, right? Because the power of variable is variable is whole number. Same reason, because power of variable is whole number. You can write it. Next here, this power is 1 by 2 is there. So here variable root is there. Root is there means this t power what? 1 by 2 is there. So this is reason, right? Because the power of variable not a whole number. Here also not a whole number. Y to the power of minus 1 is there. So same reason, right? Because the power of variable not a whole number. This is y no means here 2 variables are there. So it is a no. Okay. Second question. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. See Baba, 2 plus x square plus x. Coefficient of x square. X square backside any number not there means it is a 1. So coefficient of x square is the 1. Here see Baba, 2 minus x square plus x cube. X square backside any number not there means it is a 1. So it is a minus 1. Here no number, so 1 it is a minus 1 is the answer. See here, coefficient of x square backside number what is there? Pi by 2 is the answer. Next, here coefficient of x square here no mentioned. So what is the answer? Coefficient of x square is the 0. See third question. Give one example each of the binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. First we will write binomial of degree 35. Binomial means two terms. Okay, take Baba 4x. Degree how much you want? 35. Front you write one number, any 4, 9, anyone you write it. Next one more we will write 3x to the power of 35. Any one number you write it, 9. It is a binomial degree 35. Next we will write monomial of degree 100. 4x to the power of 100. Next 3y to the power of 100. Okay, this is the answer. Now fourth question. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. So degree means highest power. What is that? That is the degree of the polynomial. In this one, highest power 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. Next, in this one, highest power 2. So degree of the polynomial is 2. In this one, here nothing means 1 is the power. So degree of the polynomial is 1. Here constant number is there, means the degree of the polynomial is 0. Why it is 0? Example 3 is there. Any variable taking, I am taking x to the power of 0. So 3 into this overall answer you will get 1. Any x to the power of 0, 5 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 0, whatever it may be, power 0 means its answer is 1. So again answer you will get 3. So any constant number is there, means a degree of the polynomial is 0. Okay. Now fifth question. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Linear polynomial means highest power 1 is there, means linear polynomial. Quadratic means highest power 2 is there, means a quadratic polynomial. Highest power 3 is there, means a cubic polynomial. These all I explained in introduction video. Once again you watch it, these all you will understand. See here, highest power 2 is there. Highest power 2 is there, means a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next, this is a quadratic polynomial. Here see Papa, highest power 3 is there. 3 is there, means it is a cubic polynomial. So this is a cubic polynomial. Next, we will see. Here what is there? Highest power 2 is there. Highest power 2 is there, means again it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, polynomial. Next, see Baba. See, highest power 1 is there. 1 is there, means which polynomial? Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Okay, polynomial. See. Next, what is there? Highest power 1 is there. Highest power 1 is there, means again this is also linear polynomial. Polynomial. Okay. Next to see Baba, here highest power 2 is there. 2 is there, means it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Next to see Baba, here highest power 3 is there. 3 is there, means it is a cubic polynomial. Okay. See Baba. Once again, highest power 1 is there, means linear polynomial. You see the power. Next, highest power 2 is there, means it is a quadratic polynomial. Highest power 3 is there, means it is a cubic polynomial. This is the first exercise. Last sum. This is very simple, easy exercise. Again, you have any doubt also comment it. Subscribe my channel.